In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple animated loading overlay using code injection settings in Chrome. To get started, open Chrome and navigate to your platform's code injection configuration area. Once you're in the correct settings space, look for the header field. This is where the overlay structure will be placed so it loads properly with the page. In that text area, paste a basic overlay div wrapper that acts as a loading mask. The purpose of this wrapper is to temporarily cover the screen while the page begins loading, giving visitors a smoother and more polished visual experience. Keep the structure clean and minimal so it's easy to manage later if you need to update or remove it. After that, move on to the styling portion by injecting simple CSS definitions that control how the overlay behaves. This is where you'll map opacity changes from fully transparent states to visible ones, creating a fade effect that feels much more natural than an abrupt appearance or disappearance. To do that, use keyframe animation blocks. These animation rules define the visual transition over time, allowing the overlay to appear and then fade away smoothly. When writing or pasting the CSS, make sure the class or ID names match the wrapper you placed in the header field, otherwise the styles won't apply correctly. Next, set the duration timing window so the loading screen clears after a brief delay. This part is important because the timing determines how long the mask remains visible before it disappears. If the delay is too short, the animation may feel pointless or too fast to notice. If it's too long, it can get in the way of the user experience. The goal here is to create just enough delay for the transition to feel intentional while still keeping the page responsive and clean. Once everything is in place, review the code one more time for consistency. Double check that the wrapper and CSS are aligned, that the animation timing values are reasonable, and that the effect is designed to clear the screen smoothly rather than linger. Even a basic setup like this can make a site feel more refined when implemented carefully. When you're satisfied, click Save. After saving, test the page in Chrome to confirm that the overlay appears correctly, fades as expected, and clears the screen within the timing window you set. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the opacity or duration.